And we end with Singapore's Jurong Bird Park, where it has welcomed a baby boom recently. 3 king penguin chicks hatched over 3 weeks, adding to the current 14 king penguins.
And visitors can already view them at the park's Penguin Coast exhibit. These baby penguins feed on herring and caplin thrice a day, 3 times a day, and can live till 30 years of age under human care. The trio was artificially incubated to maximize chances of a successful hatching and were introduced to the rest of the colony after a few months of human care.
But the coral surrounding them will only be removed once these baby penguins develop adult plumage for swimming. The park last had a king penguin chick back in 2017.
Oh, they look so cute. They look nothing like how they're supposed to look, right?
Yes, I often do wonder what they make of themselves, having these sort of wings that they can't fly with before they get a chance to get them into the water, just flapping around for balance, though, perhaps.
Okay. Adorable, anyhow.